Lordship, in this case, the order under challenge is the passed by the Additional Commissioner, Lordship.
ये एप्लीकेशन क्या ऑर्डर 1 रूल 10 की एप्लीकेशन किस चीज की है?
I beg your pardon, Lordship.
ऑर्डर 1 रूल 10 की
सर हमारे ही है सर, रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 5 के लास्ट के लिए सर, वो रिकॉर्ड पे दिखा रहे हैं।
आ गए, अलाउ हो गई थी एप्लीकेशन?
नहीं सर, मैडम ने उसमें मूव कर दिया था एप्लीकेशन।
I have moved an application for bringing the legal hair.
Whether that IE has been allowed?
That has been allowed, Lordship. And I have incorporated the.
अच्छा, you have already incorporated.
Lordship.
चलिए. In terms of the fact that legal heirs have already been brought on record, IA 23649/2024 is closed. चलिए, बताइए.
Lordship. Lordship, the impugned orders are passed by the SDO and the additional collector, Lordship. The facts, Lordship, that the petitioner belongs to the scheduled tribe, Lordship.
जी.
And his grandfather, Lordship, he had purchased the land,
जी.
White Khasa number 261,
जी.
area 4.05 acre in village Linga, by the registered sale deed, that is Annexure P1.
एक सेकंड, सर्वे नंबर 261 मेजरिंग
4.05 acres.
4.05 acres.
Lordship.
जी.
By the registered sale deed, Lordship, dated 25/1/1957.
25/1/1957.
7, Lordship.
From-
That is Annexure P1, Lordship.
From whom?
From just
From whom this was purchased?
this is Nana Bai, Lordship.
Nana Bhai.
Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, the name of the petitioner's grandfather also recorded in the revenue record, Lordship. As per
नहीं, ये सेल डीड कहाँ है?
sale deed, Lordship, at page
पेज
14, Lordship. I have filed a type copy.
टाइप कॉपी में तो ये लिखा है कब्जा दिया है, पढ़ तो लीजिए थोड़ा सा. आपको हमेशा के लिए वास्ते रुपए 200 फरोख्त नामा पर कब्जा दिया. फरोख्त नामा का रकम 200 एक मुश्त ले चुका, अब लेना बाकी नहीं रहा. इस जमीन पर से आप मेरे नाम करवाकर अपना नाम चढ़वा लेना. किसी भी प्रकार से रोक टोक करेंगे तो मैं आपके नुकसानी की देनदार रहूंगी. आपने स्क्रीन पर जो भी झाड़ फलदार के हैं.
Initially, by this document, the land was transferred in the name of the father of the
And
petitioner.
where is the sale deed? Where is the sale deed?
Lordship, this is
not the sale deed.
This is not the sale deed. In
Then-
fact, this is the by which, according to this
You said
document,
annexure P1 is the sale deed.
that
You cannot make incorrect statements. I'll record your conduct. It will give you trouble throughout your career.
it is not a sale deed, Lordship.
It is, when it is not a sale deed, then why you,
This is
why
the
you,
document.
then why you left it to my wisdom to check that it is not a sale deed?
Through this
आप
document,
सीनियर एडवोकेट के लिए अप्लाई करती हैं, आपको यह नहीं मालूम कि कोर्ट के सामने असत्य नहीं बोलना चाहिए?
Lordship, this is the document by which
So you should have said that.
Transfer property has been
Then
transferred.
why you said it to be a sale deed? चलिए नेक्स्ट केस. हाँ बताइए नेक्स्ट क्या है? अगला आर्गुमेंट बताइए अपना. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
name of the petitioner's grandfather was recorded as the owner of the.
200 रुपए की डॉक्यूमेंट उस वक्त रजिस्टर कराने की आवश्यकता नहीं थी क्या? क्या लॉ था?
That was not the dispute, Lordship, in this case, Lordship. My humble submission.
Whether it was raised or not, but this court, being a guardian and custodian of law, is required to know that whether a transaction amounting to rupees 200 was required to be registered or not for transfer of an immovable property.
Lordship, but since no dispute, no objection was raised in this regard, so I have not checked the said provision, Lordship.
चलिए आगे बताइए.
Lordship. Because the matter is with regard to the section 170B of the MPLR code, Lordship.
170B क्या कहता है कि दो साल में कोर्ट के नियम बनने के पश्चात अगर आपका नाम दाखिल खारिज नहीं हुआ है
Lordship.
तो लैंड विल रिवर्ट बैक टू द अबोरिजिनल ट्राइब.
Lordship. No, what had happened in this case, Lordship?
जी.
I am saying that as per Annex P1,
जी.
petitioner's grandfather became the owner of the said land, Lordship.
जी.
And thereafter, his name was also recorded in the preliminary records. But respondent number
Where
5,
was it
Lordship,
recorded?
it is as per Annex P2, Lordship, it is there on record. I have filed the
डेट बताइए उसकी और ग्रैंडफादर का नाम बताइए.
Ranjan, Ranjan, son of Nago.
रंजन.
Ranjan, son of Nago, Lordship. इसमें डेट नहीं मेंशन है. It is the खसरा, this is Dehati अभिलेख, अधिकार अभिलेख of 1962. It is mentioned at Bhumi Swami.
P2 1962 revenue entry.
Lordship. Now, Lordship, what had happened? Respondent number 5, Lordship, because the grandfather, he gave the land to on Sikmi to respondent number 5, Lordship,
Right.
and he is the elected person, Lordship. Now, respondent number 5, Lordship, he executed a sale deed in his favor, who is non-tribal person, in the year 1980, Lordship, but on 7/3/1980,
7/3/1980.
and
Respondent number 5.
5. And Lordship,
What a sale deed.
and petitioner was not aware of it. No one was aware because did not came in the note.
Who executed this sale deed?
It is said that Ranjan,
नहीं 380 की sale deed is annexure.
that has not been filed, Lordship.
अच्छा.
Now, thereafter, when the petitioner came to know about it, Lordship, that the transaction has been done fraudulently
जी.
by respondent number 5
जी.
in the year 2009, when he moved an application before SDO under section 170B of the MPLR court, Lordship.
What was the status of Nanbai? Whether she was a tribe? चलिए बाद में बताइएगा.
Lordship.
फिर क्या हुआ 2009 में आपने SDO
filed an
अपने
application
170
before
में
SDO,
application
Lordship.
लगाई.
Now, I filed an application before SDO, Lordship.
That was rejected.
That was allowed,
अच्छा. P8.
Lordship.
P8 is the order, ना?
Lordship. No, P6 is the order, Lordship.
P6 is the order of the SDO.
SDO dated 28/5/2011,
जी.
page 24.
And thereafter matter.
After recording the evidence, he allowed the application.
जी.
And thereafter, respondent number 5 preferred an appeal before the additional collector.
जी.
Matter was remanded back.
Yes.
And thereafter, in the second litigation, the SDO has rejected my application, again recording the evidence.
जी.
And petitioner preferred an appeal before the additional collector. That has also been rejected, Lordship.
जी.
Now, I have approached before this honorable court.
Yes.
Now, it is not disputed, Lordship, that petitioner belongs to the tribal, his caste is Binjwar, Lordship.
जी. जी.
And he comes under the scheduled tribe community, Lordship.
जी.
Because the certificate has been issued by the competent authority, that is Annex P4,
जी.
case 21.
जी. जी.
This is the caste certificate, Lordship. We state that it is the Binjwar, and Binjwar come under ST, Lordship. And but stating the caste of the Ranjan in the sale deed by the respondent number 5, he had stated Bhiman, his caste. and got it executed, Lordship. So the fraud has been conducted, Lordship, by the respondent number 5,
जी
because Rajan has not sold his land. He did not want to sell his land.
जी जी. When did Rajan die?
Rajan died, Lordship. I filed his. Annexure P10B, Lordship.
जी
P10B, page 53,
P10
Lordship.
जी B. क्या लिखा है उसमें?
On dated 14/10/1984,
84 में.
Lordship.
तो फिर आप कब बालिग हुए?
हम 2008-9 में हुए, Lordship.
नहीं नहीं, कहाँ आपकी उम्र का प्रमाण पत्र होगा ना, आप कब बालिग हुए?
प्रमाण पत्र हमने
नहीं
नहीं
तो वही
फाइल किया,
तब जब आप बालिग हुए वहां से लिमिटेशन भी आएगी,
Lordship.
क्योंकि आप
I have stated
आर स्टेटेड से नहीं होता ना
in
मैडम.
in the order of the SDO, Lordship, it is there that when the petitioner came to know, Lordship, about the
Came to know is one thing, and how he came to know of this fact.
that is mentioned in the order of the SDO in the
Yeah.
earlier litigation. Annexure P6, Lordship.
P6 में क्या लिखा है उन्होंने? लेकिन इसमें पहला सवाल तो ये आएगा मैडम कि वो भूमि तो आपके नाम पर आ ही नहीं सकती थी, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो वैलिड सेल डीड बिटवीन यू एंड दी नान भाई. मूल प्रश्न तो यह है जिसका मैंने आपसे सबसे पहले उत्तर चाहा था, that how a transaction valued at rupees 200 as mentioned in annexure P1 would have been affected without a registered document in the year 1956 or 57.
But Lordship, the
100 रुपए आप 95 रुपए वैल्यू दिखा लेते, 99 रुपए दिखा लेते, 200 रुपए आप उसमें लिख रही हैं, 200 का ट्रांजेक्शन कैसे होगा? थोड़ा सा बताइए ना हमें. उसके बाद की पूरी कहानी चालू होगी.
since no objection or no
चलिए.
query was raised, Lordship, since then, even by the state, no objection has been raised till
Anything-
this date.
anything-
Therefore, I have not verified about the said provision, Lordship. If your Lordship permits me some time, I can
नहीं नहीं,
verify it,
अब टाइम
Lordship. Because none of the respondents or any other had raised any such objection regarding the validity of the annexure P1, Lordship.
जी.
I'm sorry, Lordship, it is stated in the evidence as page 33, in the order passed by the SDU in the second litigation, Lordship, page 33, that when he came to know about it, Lordship, in the evidence of the petitioner.
Page 33 annexure.
Yeah. Annexure, Lordship. P8.
Just a minute.
In second paragraph, Fagulal, Pita Joshiram.
एक मिनट जाइए. P8, yes.
Page 33, Lordship.
Page 33, yes.
The evidence of the Fagulal, Lordship.
पढ़िएगा.
साक्ष्य क्रमांक 1, फागुलाल पिता जोशीराम निवासी का कथन अंकित किया गया. उन्होंने अपने कथन में बताया कि ग्राम लिंगा का निवासी है. अनावेदक नथुलाल को जानता, उसके आजा रंजन पिता नागो नाम का था. ग्राम लिंगा में खसरा नंबर 361 रकबा 4.05 एकड़ भूमि थी. अभी नथुलाल के पास है. बाद में उसके नाम पर बघोली सोसाइटी से कर्ज आया था. तब उसकी छानबीन किए, तब समस्त रिकॉर्ड पर अनावेदक नथुलाल के नाम पर भूमि आई है, इसकी जानकारी हुई. अनावेदक के नाम पर उक्त भूमि कैसे आई उसे जानकारी नहीं है. उसकी जाति पिंजवार है, उसके आजा की जाति बिंजवार है. एंड देयर आफ्टर ही प्रोसीडेड एंड फाइल्ड द एप्लीकेशंस बिफोर द एसडीओ एंड he obtained the copy of the documents, Lordship, and therefore he initiated the proceedings under section 170B of the Imperial Court, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter,
एक सेकंड. P4 किस तारीख का सर्टिफिकेट है?
that is P8, Lordship.
P4.
P4. ग्यारह
1/7/2004 या कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है, क्योंकि 0 दिखाई दे रहा है, बाकी सील में ढक गया है. रंजन का कोई जाति प्रमाण जी
19 कुछ करके
19 कैसे आ जाएगा? देखिएगा 19 तो कहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
1/7 it is
2009 हो सकता है, लेकिन
in the index mention Lordship 17/2009
2009
in the index.
जी जी ठीक है. 17/2009 ठीक है. उसके पहले उन्होंने सेल डीड में अपने आप को डीमर दिखाया.
नहीं, इन्होंने मेंशन किया because he is a related person.
नहीं, वो तो इलिटरेट है.
Lordship, kindly appreciate he is a Binjwar because I have annexed the documents.
P1 में लिखा होगा ना?
नहीं, P1 में भी लिखा है बिंजवार.
जाति लिखी होगी ना?
जी, P1 में भी बिंजवार लिखा है, Lordship.
और नागो बिंजवार.
And रुकनामा लिख लेने वाला रंजन वल्द नागो बिंजवार, साकिन लिंगा. And even the Lordship kindly appreciate annexure P10A, that is the birth certificate of the father of the Ranjan Linga, that is Nago.
किस तारीख का है ये बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट?
That is the birth certificate 1918 का है, Lord.
नहीं मैडम पढ़िएगा, ऊपर दिनांक पढ़िएगा, उसमें 24/8/2000 आवेदन की तिथि 24/8/2011.
Which document, Lordship?
10A जो आप पढ़ रही हैं.
Lordship.
किसने जारी किया है?
Lordship, no, the
किसने जारी किया है? Who is the authority which has issued this certificate?
collector, Lordship.
कहाँ लिखा है कलेक्टर?
और ऊपर सील है, Lordship.
कहाँ लगी है सील?
कार्यालय कलेक्टर बालाघाट.
कलेक्टर बालाघाट जो है ये जन्म प्रमाण पत्र जारी करता है क्या?
ऑफिस दिया होगा, Lordship.
ऑफिस से होता है क्या?
It,
चलिए, एनीथिंग एल्स?
death certificate, even in the death certificate, lordship, it is written Binjwar, lordship.
ठीक है, चलिए।
वो तो पुरानी डेट का है, lordship.
थर्ड, श्रीमती नीलम गोयल, मिस नीलम गोयल।
Lordship, I just want to
जी,
mention some citations
हाँ,
also.
बताइए दीजिए।
Because lordship, in this case, the appellate authority has rejected the case application of the petitioner on the ground that only the dispute is with regard to the caste.
जी,
Only Deemer is mentioned
जी,
and there is no fraud in it.
जी,
My submission is that Deemer has been mentioned by the respondent number 5 only. He had mentioned because the petitioner's grandfather was an elected person.
जी, जी।
And
इसकी क्या साक्ष्य आई है? आपने किसकी साक्ष्य कराई है?
जी,
किसकी साक्ष्य कराई है?
साक्ष्य तो दोनों पार्टीज की कराई है इन्होंने और 2 बार करवाई हैं. Initially, भी SDO ने when the order was passed in favor of the petitioner, after recording the evidence, he had passed the order allowing the application. Repeatedly, when the matter was remanded back, again, evidence was recorded and it is mentioned in this order, lordship, of both the parties, lordship. And it is not a dispute that petitioner's caste is Binjwar. Only dispute is that in the impugned sale date, Deemer has been written and there is no fraud.
जी, जी,
So my humble submission, lordship, that when there is no dispute that he is a Binjwar,
राइट।
no, any transaction from the tribal to the non-tribal lordship without permission. And even the respondent number 5 lordship,
साइटेशन दे दीजिए।
lordship, my one most contention,
Yes.
even the respondent number 5 lordship, he had not complied with the provision as per section 170B to inform the intimate about the how the possession has been came to him.
जी,
He has to forward the intimation, lordship, to the SDO.
कहाँ लिखा है ये? प्रावधान पढ़ के बताइए।
Provision is there, lordship, in 170,
पढ़ के बताइए ना।
lordship. One 170B, lordship, last.
पढ़िएगा।
Lordship. Every person who on the date of commencement of the Madhya Pradesh Land Revenue Code amended 1980 hereinafter so and so is in possession of the agricultural land which belonged to a member of a tribe which has been declared to be an aboriginal tribe under subsection 6 of section 165 between the period commencing on the 2nd October 1959 and ending on the date of the commencement of the Amendment Act 1980 shall within 2 years of such commencement notify to the subdivisional officer in such form and in such manner.
Where is the certificate showing you to be an aboriginal tribe prior to 2009? This transaction took place in 1980. You, in your evidence, admitted that you have studied up to 8th class. Nowhere in your school documents it is mentioned that you belong to tribe, scheduled tribe. ये आपकी एविडेंस आई है, एसडीओ साहब ने रिकॉर्ड की है।
Lordship, I am not, इसमें लिखा है कि my caste is Binjwar and Binjwar comes under the scheduled tribe, lordship.
पहली चीज तो ट्राइब की कास्ट नहीं होती, आपको पहले इतना मालूम होना चाहिए। ट्राइब, कास्ट एंड ट्राइब, दे आर टू डिफरेंट।
Lordship, caste means उसके categories में Binjwar comes under the
कैटेगरी और कास्ट में फर्क होता है मैडम।
category, comes under the category. It comes under the category of scheduled tribe, lordship.
वही तो आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, कहाँ इनके स्कूल रिकॉर्ड में पग्गू लाल जी ने 8वीं तक पढ़ाई करी है ऐसा बयान दिया है, उसमें कहाँ लिखा है कि ये शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब है? 2009 में सर्टिफिकेट बनवा लेने से थोड़ा शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब हो जाएंगे।
No, but in
और
every
आपके दादाजी ने जब जमीन बेची तो डीमर लिखा 80 में।
उन्होंने नहीं लिखा लॉर्डशिप, दैट इज व्हाट माय सबमिशन इन द एनेक्सर P1 लॉर्डशिप इट इज मेंशन
कम इम्प्रेशन की जांच कराई गई थी कि उनके अंगूठा निशानी है कि किसी और के हैं?
that no nothing has been done no lordship, that is what my submission.
लंच के बाद बताइए, कंटिन्यू एट 2:30.
From the document annexure P1 lordship, that is the document
Yes.
of transferring the ownership rights to the petitioner's grandfather. And this is a document of the year 1957 lordship. Secondly, lordship, the SDO in his order annexure P6 had also gave the findings, lordship, at page 27.
जी
May I read, lordship, page 27 of annexure P6.
जी
Third line. इस प्रकार प्रकरण में विचारण पश्चात यह सिद्ध होता है कि आवेदकगण बिंजवार जाति के हैं.
जी
It is proved, lordship, that petitioner
जी
and his family
जी
belongs to
ठीक है.
scheduled tribe, lordship.
जी जी
And the respondent of 5 lordship,
जी
he is a non-tribal person, lordship.
जी जी
So my humble submission, lordship, that transaction which has been done
जी
by the respondent number 5, because petitioner's grandfather had not sold the land, lordship.
जी
Fraudulently, the land has been transferred and transaction has been taken place, lordship.
जी
And therefore, under section 170B of MPLR code will be attacked.
ठीक है.
So my humble submission, lordship,
जी
the provision of 170B
will be attracted.
says, lordship, that within a period of 2 years,
Where is the sale deed of 1980?
that has not been filed, lordship, but I have the record of it, lordship.
ऐसा थोड़ा ना होता है.
That has not been filed
And उसके
because that has not been, even the issue has not been raised by any of the, neither the state, neither the respondent number 5.
You are claiming
In
the
this-
sale deed to be fraudulent. Did you ever, is it a registered sale deed or not? 1980 की sale deed registered है कि नहीं है?
Registered, lordship.
Unlike your sale deed P1.
It is a registered sale deed, lordship.
Did you
And-
file a suit for cancellation of the
No,
sale?
no suit is maintainable, lordship. Civil suit is not maintainable because I am not challenging the sale deed of 1980 which has been executed. I am saying that since fraudulent act has been done and by doing fraud, the property has been transferred by the respondent number 5 from a tribal person to a non-tribal person, that therefore under section 170B of MPLR code, the said land has to be reverted back to the
Okay.
petitioner, lordship.
जी
That is the only issue in this case, lordship.
ठीक.
And no one has raised any such objection, neither the respondent, state, lordship.
Judgment दे दीजिए आपके पक्ष की.
And my humble submission, lordship, that the provision of one section 170B of MPLR code for which is a mandatory that within a period of 2 years,
जी
the person who has transferred the property in his favor and is in possession of the land has to communicate, to notify to the SDO lordship about how the property has came into his possession, which has not been complied with by the respondent number 5. This fact has also been given by this finding has also been stated in the order by the SDO lordship in annexure P6. In last paragraph, lordship,
Which order?
P6 lordship,
नहीं वो तो देख लिया. अब आप judgments बताइए.
lordship. One is a lordship, I have this is the copy of the writ petition, lordship, of Chhattisgarh High Court.
जी
I've given the citations earlier.
जी
That is Srimati Ram Kunwar versus Bansilan and others.
क्या लिखा है इसमें?
Para 11, lordship,
Yes.
on bare perusal of the provisions which is unambiguous and admits no other interpretation, it is the intention of the legislature that any person who is in possession of the land which originally belongs to an Aboriginal tribe be examined, and if under subsection 5 it is found that member of the original tribe has been defrauded of his legitimate right, the transaction be declared null and void and revesting the agricultural land in the transferor, and if he is dead, to his legal legitimacy passed. Therefore, the petition was inaugurated. This petition was filed by the non-tribal person and it was dismissed, Lordship.
Right.
The other one, Lordship, that is MPLJ 2024, Volume 4,
Yes.
Hiralal Sahu and others versus State of MP and other stateship. Under section 170B, division of land to Aboriginal validity property belonging to the respondent member of the Aboriginal tribe. Contention of petitioner that since respondent had failed to pay land revenue, he surrendered his land in favor of the petitioner. Surrender letters are private documents of which court cannot take judicial notice of sale, which has been placed on record without permission under Order 41 Rule 27 CPC. Petitioner failed to prove that on account of failure by respondent to pay land revenue, he surrendered his land. Petitioner failed to prove that under what circumstances purchaser took possession of land belonging to petitioner. Respondents are owners of land in dispute and were wrongly dispossessed. Division of land is proper.
जी.
And in this case, it is held that civil court has no jurisdiction to decide the controversy under of section 170B of the code. So, my humble submission, Lordship, that it is clear from the document and the findings of the SG also that petitioner belongs to the scheduled tribe.
Yeah, don't repeat.
That is my only making the conclusion, Lordship.
Heard Miss Neelam Goyal for the petitioner. Yes, आपको क्या कहना है? आपको क्या कहना है?
Lord, in this case, Lord, the respondent died on the Fagulal, Lord, the Rajan died on 14/10/1984.
जी, वो तो
And
लिया था.
and he moved the application under section 170B
जी.
on 16/4/2009.
जी.
It's clear that the Rajan never raised any objection before any authority.
ठीक. और नाम डाल दीजिएगा. और कैमरा में दिखा देंगे. चलिए, next case.
Serial number 2. Serial.